Bring your hands together, lengthen your spine, your thumbs at your heart center, your chin tucked in a little, connecting to your breath. Longer inhales, exhales. Feel the breath moving in the belly. And then inhale for Om Namo Gurudev. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Sadgure Name, Siri Gurudev Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Sadgure Name, Siri Gurudev Name. Adgure Name, Jugadgure Name, Sadgure Name, Siri Gurudev Name. Inhale and hold briefly. And exhale. Keeping your hands together with a bit more force and do breath of fire through your nose. Emphasize the exhale, pulling in the navel and releasing the navel point on the inhale. Relaxing your shoulders and your face, moving the navel point, moving the diaphragm and opening up the lungs. Good. Inhale and hold with the light mula bandha contain the energy, contracting anus, sexual organs, navel in and up. And exhale completely, pulling mula bandh. Inhale and release. Calm standing. And we start with our little hops, our little jumps. Relaxing shoulders, your back and your face. Yes, very good. We finish and put your left feet hip width apart. Swing your arms, one forwards, one backwards, up and down. Synchronize your breath, moving from the shoulders. Bringing in a bit of enthusiasm here, energy. Yes, very good. And relax in the center. Interlace your fingers, elbows to the side. Inhale left, exhale right with those elbows. Really swing your elbows left and right. It will help you stretch and move the shoulders. Good. Now inhale in the center. Cool the fingers. And exhale, relax down. Very good. Bringing your left foot forward, the right is straight and back. Your right foot flat on the floor, still seeing the toes of the left foot. And stretching, tensing your bow with the thumbs up, looking over your left thumb. And come a little deeper and start breath of fire. Keeping the pelvic bone a little lifted so you're not hanging forwards in your lower back. Lengthening the lower back by lifting the pelvis. Yes, pelvic bone, very good. 30 seconds, come a little deeper. Empower your navel with the breath. Good. Now inhale and come a little deeper, stretching over your chest. And exhale. Bringing the legs together. Moving to the other side, right leg forward, left straight and back. Check if you can still see your toes. Bend that right knee and stretching with thumbs up. Come a little deeper and start breath of fire. Half a minute to go. Come a little deeper. Empower your navel. Stretching the heart, the chest. Good. Inhale, come a little deeper. Good. Exhale and relax. All right, I think this is our favorite exercise, the frogs. And come on the front of your feet with the heels together, fingertips on the floor, so knees are bent, and you inhale, lengthening your legs, head is down, and exhale, bending your knees and your head is up. Very good. The last one. And come sitting, catching your breath. Maybe massage the legs a little bit. Then come on your hands and your knees, moving the spine in cat-cow. So inhaling, lifting that imaginary tail up and chest and head. And then on the exhale, rounding the spine and bringing that tail in between your legs. Good, and then you finish in the center. And we have one little extra exercise for the hips, which is the right knee to the chest and then making big circles from the hip joint to the side, outwards, upwards, and back to the chest. And don't forget to breathe. And put your right knee on the floor and do the same with the left one. So first to your chest and then to the side, outwards, backwards, up, and then back to the chest. Good. And then baby pose. On your heels, stretching your arms forward, hands together. Take a few deep breaths here. Good. On the next inhale, slowly come sitting up and come on your back with your knees bent. Take a few breaths here to relax, but also to notice how's your connection with the floor, with the earth today. Can you land in your body? Can you land in your bones? Can you allow the weight of your bones to help you ground? Good. And then stretching the right leg, bringing the left knee up with the left hand on the left thigh, fingers pointing to the knee, and then on an inhale, pushing your hand and your leg towards each other, building up the tension in the left psoas muscle. If it feels strong and healthy, you can build up as much as possible. And if not, just take those baby steps, play with it. And on the exhale, release. We do it a few times. On the inhale, pushing. On the exhale, releasing. Right, and then the last one, inhale and hold. And exhale, relax your left leg, stretch it out. Feel a moment, the difference of observe if there's a difference between left and right. And then you bring your right knee up. We do the same on the other side. So inhaling, pushing, exhaling, release. And the last one, inhale and hold. And exhale and relax. Good. Now get your block and put it on there, the lowest part of your spine. Actually, when you put it here at the sacrum, at the tailbone, and you can feel your pelvis floating. Stretching out the right leg, bringing the left towards your chest, hands around, fingers around your left knee. And breathing into the right hip, the front of the right hip, lengthening, releasing, relaxing, no forcing. It's just allowing to open. You're very flexible, and your psoas muscles and hip flexors are really juicy. You might even be able to bring your left knee all the way to your chest and have your right leg all the way stretched. But most people cannot. And it's okay. We just breathe here to make space. Don't forget to relax your shoulders and your face. Good. Moving the left knee, the left leg, a bit left and right. Moving deep in the left hip joint. Good. And then stretching, relaxing the left leg and bringing the right knee to the chest. Your hands around the right knee and breathing into that left, the front of the left hip. So you might feel a stretch a bit on the inside of the thigh, the left thigh, but also up a bit into your belly. Relax your shoulders, your face. Right, moving the right knee a bit left and right. Je wiegt je rechterbeen, je knie. You're cradling your right leg, knee in that hip joint. Good. And bringing the right foot on the floor, putting your block to the side. Again, your whole back on the floor, keeping your knees bent, hands on the lower belly. Take a few breaths. Feel the connection with your bones and with gravity, the connection with your back on the floor, bringing your awareness inwards, backwards, and downwards. Good. And roll on your side and come sitting. Sit on a cushion for this amazing, special meditation to conquer our imagined disabilities. And it says, every disability is imagined, which I think is quite provocative. But I sat with it a little and I realized that the fact that something is different, or when you're missing a body part, like Wim is missing his right thumb, very inconvenient. But the part that is makes you think that there is a disability is yours, and not the fact that something is different. So that's, I think, where we work on how much we imagine things that we can or cannot do. All right, bring your hands out to the side, fingers spread and stretched, and make those quick fists moving inwards. Your crown is up, your chin is in, and your eyes are closed, looking at the tip of your nose, breathing powerfully through the mouth in a O shape. Yes, very good. Move and breathe and bring healing energy to the body. Yes, move quickly those hands and move, circle from your wrists. All right, we're almost there. Give it some more power and energy. Good. Make fists and inhale through your nose. Inhale and hold and tense all the muscles in your body. Squeeze. Exhale. Inhale and hold. And squeeze all the muscles. Exhale. One more inhale. Hold and squeeze as tight as you can. Exhale and relax your arms. Feel how the body regulates and balances itself. Observe the beauty of the energy moving in your body. Right, bring your arms forward. Move one forward, one backwards. Powerful breath through the mouth. O-shaped mouth. Look behind your closed eyes at the tip of your nose, and you're moving from the base of the palms of the hands. So this is the kind of exercise that you want to give your all, because it will just save you a lot of money from going to all kinds of therapists. No need to think of what blocks you're moving through. You are moving through. Feel the breath around the navel point. Keep connecting with your breath and move. Yes, very good. Keep moving and removing your fear from the future. Inhale, one arm forward, one arm back. Inhale and hold. And squeeze all the muscles in your body. Make your body shake. Exhale, change your arms. And inhale. And squeeze all the muscles. Exhale. And change once more. And hold and squeeze. And exhale. Good. Keeping your eyes closed and be still. Bring your arms, your lower arms, to the sides, fingers spread and stretched. Make small backward circles, but powerful. Moving the arms quickly backwards and close your eyes, look at the tip of the nose, breathing powerfully through the mouth. Great, keep moving and breathing to develop your own very human courage to overcome your imagined disabilities, moving through those blocks. Keep moving. Yes, you're doing great. Good. Inhale. Inhale and hold and stick out your tongue as wide as far as you can and tense all the muscles in your body. Exhale. Inhale. Hold, squeeze, tongue out. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, hold, stick out your tongue and squeeze as much as you can. Exhale. Relaxing your arms, hands in your lap. And come for relaxation. Long and deep and comfortable. Maybe it's not that hard to relax after such an intense meditation, but you can help your body with some deep breaths, inhaling through your mouth and a long deep exhale through your, inhale through your nose, long deep exhale through your mouth, and feel how your body relaxes on the exhale. Your shoulders relaxed, your face relaxed, relaxing your whole body as one. Feel your body on the floor, breathing a little deeper to your belly. And then stretch and bend your fingers and your toes. And circle your wrists and your ankles. Good. And then stretching your whole body, your arms up. Waking up to another beautiful day. Rubbing your hands together, the soles of your feet together, and bringing yourself up to sit. Your hands in prayer pose, your eyes closed. May the weight of faith keep you grounded in your breath. May inspiration never fail you till your very last step. May compassion be your motto to see you through each day. And may courage be with you, for the world needs it now. Sadhana. Now inhale a bit deeper and exhale completely. And inhale for sadhana. 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 Satnam. Satnam.